Come on now, Robbie. Time's a wasted. Let's go. All right, so now we're going to put the pickets on. So what you want to do is make up some type of jig that sits on your top rail and establishes the height for your picket. Bring up your picket, hit that stop, fasten your picket. It's going to give you a nice continuous line all the way down through the job site. Prior to the layout, I spot the board and I'm looking for the bow. You can see this one's bowing towards the right. That's my layout. You don't do it this way because now I have to deal with closing the middle gap in the fence installation. I find it much easier to close the bottom. Put this picket up against the previous and start fastening from the top, the mid rail, and then I'm going to close this gap by pushing towards the fence and closing this gap with my screws on the bottom. Now here's one of those pickets I talked about earlier with the bow on it, and you can see at the bottom it's bowing away. So I fasten the middle and the top with a spacer, and then I can come in here, give this a push and install those screws. Now we cut the pickets. As I told you, I'm thinking about the upside and downside of the angles when I'm spotting my picket. Quick eyeball, look for the bow. Check the template. Mark the top and bottom. My hand's off. Place it in a stack. Do that 250 times and we're done with my thing. The one I did look at. Alright, now it's time to install the pickets. I set the first picket. Then I check it for plumb. Tap in my spacers. I have a 1/8 shank on this box nail. Well, that's it, boys and girls of Quincy High School Carpentry. How Mr. Burke spent a bit of his summer vacation. Now, I'm hoping you people did something worthwhile, and we'll talk about it in September.